In this video, I'm going to show you how to clone a GitLab repository in Visual Studio Code. Now, the first thing you have to do here in VS Code, you want to go to the Extensions tab on the left, you want to look for GitLab, click on Enter, and then wait, there we go. You want to click on GitLab Workflow, and then click on Install for this to actually install. Once that's done, you'll be able to see it here on the left-hand side. Click on it, and then for the first time you're doing this, you're going to have to connect to your account. So if it asks you to do so, just basically connect it, authorize it. It's very easy. It takes just like a few seconds. When you do that, make sure you do have Git installed on your computer. If you don't, you're going to have to install it. And then when you do here, you can then click on Open Source Control, and then click on Clone Repository, and click on Clone from GitLab. When you do this here, you can select whatever you want to clone. I'm just going to clone this calculator app, which I created here. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to select this bottom one, which is HTTPS, etc. So I'm going to click on that, select where I actually want to put it. So I'm going to do downloads, and I have a test folder over here, and I'm going to select this as a destination. And then it's going to basically begin cloning over here. And as you can see, it's going to say, would you like to open the repository? And if it doesn't say that for you, and if it says something else, like you have to, again, authorize something inside GitLab, make sure you do that. But if it doesn't, you will just basically receive this notification which says, would you like to open the repository? And you can then do whatever you want. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.